Energy medicine restores integrity of the auric field. And here are 3 exercises. The first one. With one hand at the pubic bone, trace upward midline to lip, zipping energy closed. Anchor your hand at the lips and whisper, "I am sealed in my own strength." Place one finger on the forehead between eyebrows, one in the navel, and gently lift. This restores brain-body connection, dissolving overload. And the last exercise is with sweeping figure 8 motions around the body. Wave energy feels tighter. And imagine healing threads stitching your aura whole. And now pause. Place one hand on your chest, one on your belly, and whisper, "I remain open to love, yet my energy is my own." This moment seals the practice.